Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. Good evening from here. This evening you just got back from daily hustle. Well, I'm in my kitchen right now as always, so I want to wash beans because I'll be making my mind tomorrow. So that's how I do is I do wash the beans in the evening, keep it in the freezer, then tomorrow that I'll cook it, I'll blend it, put all the ingredients and start cooking. So for right now, I want to wash the beans. It's soaking right here. This is the beans. I'm waiting for like 10 minutes for it to be a little bit soft so I can blend. I will remove the peel with my blender. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing this evening. So tomorrow we start the cooking. Yeah, I'll carry you guys along tomorrow. For now, I just want to tell you guys what I'm doing right now. Then tomorrow we continue the video. How you doing? In case it's your first time, my name is Dezo, a mom vlogger based in Pakistan. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so. To my OGs, thumbs up to you people. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comment, for your share. May God keep blessing you. Amen. Okay guys, let me show you how I wash the beans with my blender. Yeah, I will use this button, the pause button, with this P alphabet. That is what I use to wash the beans. So let me show you guys. Okay, so what I do is I use this cup, take the beans and pour it inside my blender, just like this, just 2 cups of this. Then add enough water. Yeah, that's okay. Then I'll cover it. I'm going to be using this pause button. Yeah, this pause button, so watch out for it. Then I'll do it, guys. This pause button is just blend and pause, blend and pause, blend and pause. Yeah, so that the beans will not scatter, you know. 1, 2, 3. Guys, are you seeing it? 4. Yeah, I'm done with this now. I'll pour it inside here and continue. Yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. Normally, not all the back will remove. No, it's not 100%. It's not 100% that the beans, all the bags will remove, but at least some of it. Yeah, as you can see right now, though the beans will keep breaking, but that's okay.
Tomorrow for sure.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
30 minutes later.
So guys, this MoiMoi has been cooking for the past 45 minutes, and I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. Let's check it. So your delicious MoiMoi is ready. Come and grab one. Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, speaking to you guys for the first time today. So I'm done cooking the MoiMoi and I'm ending this video here. Please, in case it's your first time, don't make it your last. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, to my OGs, you are welcome. Thank you for coming back and see you on my next video. Bye.